Hey guys, welcome back to our Bandit Wargame series, and we are mastering Linux and Bash 1, level 1 at a time. And in the previous episode, so we connect to the Bandit server and completed the level 0 using basic commands like ls and cat. And now, in this episode, so we are moving to level 1 where things get more interesting, like I said in the last video. So this level is all about tricky file names, especially those start with a dash. I'll show you guys how it look like. If you're going to see this, it's like very harmful, right? So you probably seen the bash interpret the dash here is an option, right? So, well, that's what we learn to handle today. So let's jump right in. Okay, so we already logged in to our server 2, which is level server 1, I mean. So I accessed it in my previous password, and this is what we are checking right now. If you go into ls, we can see here the file is dash, right? Hmm. Interesting. So this is file. If you're going to look at, if you're going to try to check it in long list, it give us write W, so meaning this is file. Okay. The shell think it is an option instead of file. So see what happened when we're going to start reading into cat. Okay. From a standard input. So how do we read the file literally? The name dash, and it give us nothing, okay? It only give us another set of, you know, uh, line that we can type. So we can solve this by telling the bash to treat the file as a real file, okay? Not a command option. So to do that, so we're going to use uh, like this, a prefix like this. So start with the dot means the current directory, and then we tell the bash that hey, this is a file, see in this directory. So if you're going to check on it, cat and this one, so it will give us the password. Okay. So if we're going to copy this one to our next uh, level, so copy this and then let me try to paste this. Cannot. Let me paste this. Okay. Okay. So this is supposed to be this is two. Okay. Going to overwrite on it. Okay. Let me. This is the password one. This is the password two. Okay. So if we're going to move to level two, so we're going to use the password two for our next bandit server two. Okay. So awesome. Uh, and we just clear the level one for our bandit, and more importantly it's you learn how bash interprets special character in the file name. So here is what we pick up today. So how to handle file names starting with a dash, and why the dot and then the forward slash is used to be specifically a current directory, and Third is how bash treat file names versus the command option. So this is kind of a real world problem you will face as a system of administrator or a depth of engineering. So it is a good practice to you guys. So if you're enjoying this Bandit series, you will learn something new. Make sure you like the video and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any challenge in the Bandit. So in the next episodes, we'll move to the level 2 to 3 and we are dealing with the hidden files. And trust me, that's another you must know skills in the Linux. So thanks for watching and keep mastering and one command at one a time. Okay?